Hello friends, in today's video we will learn together about the beef sausage processing process, a modern production line. If you love agricultural products processing topics, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to this channel to receive notification as soon as possible. This is a cow farm. The number of cows here is quite large. They are raised to supply beef processing factories. This farm applies a sustainable livestock production line. They raise cows with natural ingredients that they grow themselves. Cows here are raised with healthy and safe nutrition for their growth. Until maturity, these cows are slaughtered and processed into products intended for human consumption. This is the amount of beef that will be processed into sausage today. Once the meat is delivered to the factory, the staff will dissect and divide the meat. Pieces of meat are cut into small pieces with a cutter. Now let's bring them to puree. The processed meat is put into this blender. They will be pureed and mixed with the spices. This is how the factory workers add flavor to the sausages. During the process of grinding meat, pieces and ingredients will be added and mixed with the same amount of meat. This number of ingredients must be calculated and accurately weighed to ensure that the entire sausage after production has standard flavor. Water is also added when grinding the meat to keep the meat fresh. The process of grinding the meat will last until the meat is pureed and blended with the spices. Now they are ready to be made into sausage shape. Factory staff transferred the ground meat to a new processing machine. This is the machine used to produce sausages. This is a form of collagen used as the outer shell of sausages. They have the function of keeping moisture and preserving sausages for a long time. When the staff has finished processing the processes, the line will start making sausages. It is a fully automated line. The sausages are made with the same size and weight. The factory produces 300,000 sausages every hour, equivalent to about 2.5 million sausages in a day. Until the previously prepared meat is used up, the usage will be cooked. The job of the staff is to arrange the sausages on a hanging bar and bring them to the steamer area. These sausages are hung in a separate room with a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. This process helps the meat ferment increasing the acidity of the meat to prevent the growth of bacteria. It lasts up to 14 hours until the sausage reaches the desired level of acidity. Next, the staff proceed to rinse the room temperature by burning wood chops. This temperature helps the meat to be fully cooked, while the smoke from the wood also contributes to the flavor of the sausage. The temperature inside the oven is about 70 degrees Celsius. This process takes about 1 hour. As soon as it is taken out of the oven, the sausage will be soaked in cold brine to cool down. They are then dried at a temperature of 6 degrees Celsius to keep the products clean. At this time, the long sausages are passed through a cutter. They are divided into separate sausages. Now, let's pack it up. The staff took turns putting sausages in a box. They would then be sealed by labeling and packaging. Time to deliver. Sausages are a popular food around the world and are used in many different cuisines by different cultures. With a unique taste, variety, and convenience in processing. Sausages have become an indispensable part of dishes from breakfast to dinner. Thank you.
Beef cattle farming is one of the main industries in American agriculture. The United States is the world's largest producer of beef and accounts for over 25% of the world's total beef production. Caring for and raising beef cattle in the U.S. has undergone continuous development and improvement over several decades to meet the increasing demand of the market. In 2020, the amount of beef consumed in the U.S. was approximately 27.3 billion pounds, equivalent to about 12.4 million tons. Texas is the largest beef cattle farming state in the U.S., with over 12 million head of cattle and a beef production of over 2.6 million tons per year. Nebraska comes in second with over 6.5 million head of cattle and a beef production of approximately 1.8 million tons per year. The third state that cannot be overlooked is the state with over 6